Choosing the right AI coding assistant can feel like a real dilemma, especially when one tool is free and another is the industry standard. Antigravity and GitHub Copilot both help you write code faster with AI, but they fit into your workflow in different ways. Antigravity is currently free in public preview, with access to powerful models like Gemini 3 Pro and Claude Sonnet right inside an AI IDE. You can run agents that plan, write, test, and adjust code without paying anything right now. That's huge for beginners or hobby projects. But it does have a downside. Because it's still in preview, the free limits can feel unpredictable, and future pricing and usage caps aren't yet fully clear. GitHub Copilot has a free tier that gives you about 2,000 code completions and 50 chat/premium requests per month, so you can try it without paying. The paid plans start at $10 a month for Copilot Pro with unlimited completions and more premium access, and go up to $39 a month for Copilot Pro Plus with even higher limits and models. Copilot works directly inside VS Code, JetBrains, and other IDEs with tight integration. But the trade-off is cost once you want heavy use, and the free tier's limited monthly quota may feel too small for serious coding. So, in practice, if you want zero-cost AI coding help now, Antigravity is hard to beat. If you want predictable IDE integration and a mature toolchain, Copilot fits better even if you pay. They compete in the AI coding space, and many developers even use both depending on the task. Let me know which one will you choose below, and subscribe for more honest reviews and comparison.